Actually, the Reserve Bank of India today issued strong warnings on a new avatar of digital loan sharks that have cropped up, especially in the post-lockdown period when many people had lost jobs and all operations shifted online. It's now turning out to be a multi-crore, multi-city money lending racket. 3 people are said to have died by suicide because of pressure by online agents.
Ushamani says her daughter had died by suicide, unable to bear the non-stop calls and harassment she faced after she reportedly borrowed 5,000 rupees through an online money lending app. The 25-year-old MBA from Vizag had no job and borrowed the money during the lockdown period to help the family. Three deaths by suicide were reported in and around Hyderabad this month. One of a government agriculture officer, another a techie, third a farmer. All borrowed money online and were threatened and abused by telecallers from online app companies who accessed contacts to publicly humiliate them. Hyderabad and Cyberabad police have started a massive crackdown on what appears to be a new avatar of loan sharks, operating through digital platforms and dozens of online apps that offer instant cash at rates of interest ranging from 30% to 50%. Repayment timeline is between a week and fortnight.
They are also active in the National Capital Region, and so far about 150 laptops have been seized, servers have been seized, and about 8 people have been arrested.
After multiple raids in Hyderabad and Gurugram, where hundreds of telecallers were employed to lure potential customers and intimidate and coerce like recovery agents, the police have booked multiple cases and arrested nearly 20 people who acted as managers or directors. Among those arrested by the Cyberabad police is a 32-year-old engineer with a MS degree from the US who developed and sold loan apps and also established his own 2 money lending companies. 75 bank accounts holding 423 crore rupees have been frozen. 200 more accounts are being examined. There are at least 60 such online apps that can be downloaded, and the entire operation seems to be quite mind-boggling, running across cities and running into thousands of crores of rupees. Hyderabad police in fact is also investigating a Chinese link and a Jakarta angle. And parallels are also being drawn to an online gaming racket that was unearthed earlier, where you had shell companies, digital wallets, multiple bank accounts through which money was flowing. They're also investigating if the funds were going out of the country. The RBI has now warned people about falling prey to illegal online digital platform apps that lend at high interest rates, access private data unwittingly shared, and use high-handed recovery methods. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.